Alright, y'all, so in case you guys don't know, my closet has been a hot mess lately. We're gonna be doing a closet audit. So this is, y'all, my closet is not fancy, that's the thing. So this is the closet I have right now. These are under there. See those shoes there? This closet, I usually keep all of my jackets, blazers, like more professionals type things. And in here, I usually keep all my general clothes. But my closet has been kind of a hot mess lately. So what I'm gonna do is clean it out. I usually have a certain system that I put my stuff in. But I want to make sure that everything I'm still wearing, everything is still up to date, everything is properly audited. So we're going to go ahead and do a closet audit. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so usually in here I will keep like tops, and then I'll have my dresses, and then long sleeves. Oh gosh, y'all, it's so bad I done forgot. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right. So literally gonna be in here. And if you look at my bed, you guys, look at that. There's just so much going on. I'm so stressed out. These are t-shirts. They're already folded, so we're gonna have those folded. So I'm literally gonna go through everything. I'm just gonna assess if I wear it anymore. Oh my gosh, I forgot all about this. Oh. Yes. Sorry, you don't have to record that part, but yes, do. The sweatshirt, I definitely still wear that. I keep that for nostalgic purposes. Sorry, guys. I do still wear this. I guess I can keep that on my hanger. Definitely still wear this. So these are all my sweaters. And again, we're also rotating seasons too, you all. So you want to make sure you're cognizant about that when you have your closet on. I definitely wear this. I definitely wore this. Really nice button up. All right, so let's keep going. Okay, so blazer. I'm probably gonna move this over to my blazer stuff. I've worn this dress. Oh, actually no. I have not worn this dress ever, and that's why it's so wrinkly. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and either donate this or sell it, because I don't wear this. And even though I saw the tags on it, it has no use for me in my closet, which is so sad. So I'm just gonna put it over here. I wear this all the time. I wear this all the time. Alright, you all, I do this every 3 to 6 months. I take out all the clothes I have in my closet and I either keep them or I donate them. If I can't think of either 3 to 5 outfits that I already have in my closet, or if I haven't worn the particular item in 6 months to a year, I will give it away. Everything else I will keep. Then I'll find a way to organize my closet. This time I'm going to be putting more of my summer clothes toward the middle and my winter clothes on the outside of the bar on my closet. I'm a super big fan of the closet audit, you all. It allows yourself to have an idea to check exactly what you have in your closet. If you're that type of person who buys a lot of the same things over and over again, you'll have an idea which you are buying too much of, so that you can start buying more variety in your closet so that you don't feel the need to always purchase things. Your closet should always feel like a boutique in a way, or a store. You go to stores because it wants you to buy things. It gives you that environment you want to buy things. Your closet should be the same way. So always find ways to organize it. Always find ways to develop more variety in your wardrobe by having less of it. Alright guys, I'm going to be done talking right now. I'm going to let you guys keep listening, and y'all are fabulous. So usually the way I organize my closet, I will do by like long sleeve, like sweaters, long sleeves, short sleeves, dresses, and any miscellaneous items. Generally, that's how I organize my closet. So we're gonna go back and do that. Probably I'm gonna put more of my summer items in the middle because it's summertime and I'm gonna be out doing summer things. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay. Alright, y'all, I'm still sorting and organizing my life away, but I want you all to know that I'm doing this with every aspect of my closet. So this goes for bras, panties, shoes, hats, bags, blazers, everything. And again, same thing with my shoes. I'm going to go ahead and donate or rotate the closet. I'll show y'all that later. Same thing, y'all. Literally every single aspect of my closet, I'm just trying to go ahead and organize and refold and get right so that I have an idea of everything I have. The whole point is really just checking your closet and making sure that you have everything that you need for the summertime, so you're not out here spending unnecessary money, so that you can use that money that you have saved either to pay back anything y'all got, y'all old folk, or if y'all trying to go on a fabulous vacation and shop those fabulous wardrobes y'all got. I'm just saying. Alright, y'all, just stay tuned. Y'all, my heart is palpitating. I feel like we're going up and down some stairs. This is a lot of work. These clothes are heavy. Anyway, okay. We're on the final scratch here. And I do have some bins, but I think I'll go over that a little bit later. But these are basically where all my blazers go for the most part. Blazers, more professional clothes. So we're gonna organize these as well. Like, look at how many hangers I have. At first I didn't think I had any hangers, but I think it's because I wasn't using them well and I was hiding them, and most of my clothes were probably things I didn't wear. So many more hangers. So that means that we could potentially do more shopping or not. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we're done. This is the final product. So basically the way I did it, my summer clothes are going to be in the middle. All summer stuff is pretty much in the middle because it's summertime now, so we're going to be rotating our closets. Here I did my winter clothes, and then I did long sleeves, pretty long sleeves, short sleeves, casual short sleeves. Then I did dresses. Then I did my casual dresses, then I did more pretty dresses, summer dresses, and over here is just my thought shop. All these my little thoughty dresses, thoughty clothes, and this is like miscellaneous. Same thing on the bottom. Summer clothes in the middle. I have my black and my jeans, all black clothes that I have, all black bottoms, jean bottoms, and this is kind of like skirts and a little more miscellaneous things I don't wear as often. I don't know if you guys can see that. These are my shoes. So again, I got these from Craigslist. More of my cute little heels are here. Work shoe, like, more formal heels. Sandals, summertime, so I want to make sure they're super accessible. And flats. Toward the bottom, I have my winter shoes and boots. Here, you all, I have these bins where I keep my stuff. I don't know how to explain that. Anyway, these are my little underwear, my bras, and t-shirts, like undershirts. These are my underwear, socks. These are, y'all, I sleep in t-shirts. I have a lot of t-shirts. I have those folded here. These are my more winter sweaters. And these are my workout clothes. I go to the gym a lot. And over here is all my blazers, more formal clothes, and shoes. Those are shoes. I'm probably gonna, these shoes I wear pretty often. Those I do not. So I probably should rotate those and put more sandals here, because this closet is pretty accessible, especially the closet. And y'all, these are this is jewelry. So I have it organized by statement jewelry, long jewelry, well, short, statement, long. These are scarves and belts. Here are earrings that I put. And I think these are like bracelets. I don't wear a lot of bracelets. And then everything else I have. And y'all, this is the pile of stuff that I'm going to be donating. Or probably actually selling or giving to Buffalo Exchange. So that's that, guys. Y'all, this was work. I ain't gonna lie. Good God. Y'all, it was a lot of work. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see the frizz in my beautiful natural hair? But, guys, thanks for listening. You guys are truly amazing. And I hope that you guys do your own closet audit for the summertime. Let me know in the comments what y'all are doing about getting your closets right. Bye, y'all.